Hi all, in this video we are going to see how we can add the QC for the work orders. Before that, let me explain what is the need of adding the QC in the work orders, because the QC model we are having the restrictions that we cannot able to add the QC for the operations. We are not having any options to add the QC for the operations, but from the manufacturing level under the BOM level for the work orders we can add the QCs. Actually, before after we are doing the QCs from the incoming IQC or OQC during the PDI we can do it, but in case during the operations or work orders if we face any quality checks fails or pause we need, so by in this use case we can add the QCs for the operations. Let me explain how we can do this. Before that, I'm just opening the manufacturing modules. Under this products, bill of materials, let me take one sample BOM. Under this, we are having an operations. So by clicking these three dots, we can create a new QC here for these operations. So just me click a new button. Here we are giving the testing as title. Product will be default. It will be getting from the BOM and operation type also. And work orders we are using as a middle group pasting process. Here we are adding the responsible person we can add for this QCs. So as of now I'm adding the inventory users. We can configure step document work pages. Then comes the control per. Actually from the drop down we are having the three options: operation, product and quantity. Let me explain the difference between these. Operations means even if we have the more than three products or four products, the QC will be having as a single QCs. Suppose we are having the product we are choosing as a product means, suppose we are having two to three products means we will have how many products we have given, so how many that much QC we will have. Suppose three products we are adding means we will have the three QCs. Quantity means suppose we are having selected one product but we are having four to five quantities, then the QC will be based upon for the each quantities. So control frequency option is there. All random and periodically on demand we can select. As of now, I am selecting all. Type as they are having some more types is there. Instruction we can just add the instruction for the QCs. Take a picture means from the production level they have to upload a picture, then only it can be validated. Then registering a consumed material, register production is there. Print label we can add it there. Then pause or fail option is there, we can give it in the QCs. Measure means we have to give some minimum measure and maximum measure. If the measure from the operation level we are giving within this range means it will be validated, and we can also add a spreadsheet with some conditions. As of now I am giving as a pause and fail as a type, and team also we are giving as a main quality team which is responsible for this. As of now I'm just saving this. QC is done. I'll go to the manufacturing orders. I'll create one thing, create one new manufacturing order for metal glass. I'm just confirming it. I'm just do the transfer. Once we try to produce all, it will stop because it needs a validation error. It will say we have to complete the quality check for 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 going the operations. So I'm just click the shop floor thing. Under this quality check has been coming. Just we can pause or fail this operation. I'm just giving as a pause, and I am closing the production. So this is a use case of adding the QC for the work orders in the manufacturing model. Thank you.